Hi there, we have all heard the saying, money can't buy happiness. And that's true in many ways, but it is not the whole story. Because while money may not bring joy directly, it can create space, support, opportunity, quietly but powerfully. So today, I want to share 12 truths about what money can really buy. Not in theory, but in real, everyday way. Let's begin. First one is the time. A little more of it for yourself. Money won't stop the clock, but it can help you use your time better by paying for support like a cleaner, a ride, or a prepared meal. You're buying back little pockets of time. Time to rest, to focus, to be with your family. It's not more time, but it is better time when you use it mindfully. Second one is the access to healthcare. One of the most practical things money can do is improve your access to healthcare. Private doctors, therapy, faster appointments, they don't guarantee health, but they do reduce stress and delays. And that peace of mind, it changes how you face challenge. Third is better learning opportunities. Money makes it easier to learn. Books, courses, coaching, education, these don't make you wise on their own, but they open the door, and with the right mindset, they can change your future. Fourth, a safer environment, a safer neighborhood, a reliable car, proper insurance. These are the forms of protection. Money doesn't remove all risks, but it does give you choices that reduce the fear. And when you feel safe, you think more clearly and live more fully. Fifth, freedom of choice. Once your basic needs are covered, money gives you freedom. Freedom to say no to what doesn't serve you, to wait for the right opportunity, to walk away from what doesn't feel right. Freedom is one of the money's most powerful gifts. Sixth, travel and exposure to new ideas. Money lets you go places, cities, countries, or even parts of your own town which you haven't explored yet. Travel opens your mind. You learn how others live. You get perspective which you don't get from the books. That's the real growth. 7. Daily comfort. A warm bed, a peaceful home, and food you enjoy. Simple things but deeply meaningful. Money helps you create a space that supports your well being. Comfort isn't about luxury, it's about feeling steady. 8. Help when you need it. Sometimes you need help with your kids, your mental health, your work. Money gives you access to that help when you might have gone without. Support doesn't make you weak, it helps you keep going. 9. Opportunities for growth. Want to improve your mindset, your career, your confidence? Money can fund therapy, coaching, or classes. These tools guide changes, but they don't do the work. You do. Money just gives you the path. 10. A buffer. During hard times, life isn't always smooth. Money doesn't stop tough times, but it softens the blow. An emergency fund, for example, buys you some time to breathe, to think, to choose better. And that cushion, it can be the difference between recovering and spiraling. 11. Joyful experiences. Money lets you enjoy moments. Dinner with friends, a concert, a weekend away. It's not about luxury, it's about joy. Because life isn't only about surviving. We are allowed to feel light. And 12 is peace of mind. When your needs are met and the future doesn't really feel scary, that's the peace of mind. Not perfection, not endless comfort, just a quiet kind of safety. And that lets you be present, generous, kind with yourself and with others. So, those are 12 truths about what money can buy. Not everything, but enough to matter. When used wisely, money doesn't just improve your life, it helps you live it with more care, more purpose, and more peace. Thanks for watching. Now, I would like to hear from you. What is that one thing that money has improved in your life in a meaningful way? Drop in the comment and let's start a real conversation. And if this has resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Until next time, take care.